Hi fam, you're welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make this delicious all-purpose vegetable sauce. I call this all-purpose because you can eat this with yam, with any swallow of your choice, with rice, with plantains, and it is absolutely healthy. For this recipe, you'll be needing some pepper mix, which is basically pepper and onion grinded together. You need some diced onion. For protein, some pre-boiled snail, and fishes also. I'll be using smoked fish, pomo, and dried catfish. I'll also be using my meat, which is already boiled. This is goat meat, some palm oil, and for veggies, some ugu leaf and some green. For seasoning, we'll also use salt and seasoning cubes. As usual, a full list of all these ingredients will be in the description box. So firstly, you want to put your oil in a hot pan, and then you're going to add in your onion. Allow this saute for a bit, and tip number one, guys, you don't want to bleach your oil. So you don't need to bleach your oil. Once it's hot a bit, you can add in your onion. And if this is your first time on our channel, like guys, make sure you click the subscribe button because you don't want to miss any of our yummy recipes. Next, you are going to add in some pepper mix. You just add in your pepper and onion mix, and then give this a really nice mix so it's well combined, and then you allow to fry. Once this has been frying for a bit, you are going to add in your protein. So I'll be adding in my smoked fish, next with the pomo, and then the catfish. As you can see, I first took out time to take off all the bones. So you want to debone your fishes properly so that you don't start getting choked on when you are eating. So I'm just going to give this a really nice mix and allow to fry. This has been fried for a bit. I'm going to add in my meat stock. This is optional, so if you do not have, you can just do well to skip it. Next, I'll be adding in my seasoning cubes and my salt. As you can see, this is already beginning to boil. I'll just add in my pre-boiled snail and then my meat, which is the goat meat I'll be using. You want your proteins to soak up all of this juicy sauce, so you're not going to do this on very high heat so that your sauce doesn't just dry up. You are going to do this on medium heat and allow it to cook properly. So after properly mixing this, I'm just going to cover this and allow to cook properly. So this has been cooking for a while now, and then I'm going to proceed to give it another mix. Make sure it's not burning, and then add in my vegetables. So firstly, I'll be adding in my ugu leaf, and next I'll be adding in my green. This is one recipe you can absolutely use to boost your blood level and boost your immune system because it has lots of proteins and vegetables. So I'll just add in my green and allow this cook. Guys, see our all-purpose vegetable sauce. Doesn't this look delicious already? I can't wait for you guys to try out this recipe. Please try it out and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. If you try it out, feel free to tag us at Ali vs Food on Instagram. We'll be waiting to see it. If you have not, make sure you click the subscribe button and drop a nice comment. I'd love to get your thoughts. I'd love to get your feedback on this recipe. Thank you fam for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.